Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for repairs. Today we're looking at a new range of products that we've introduced from Eurocell, and they are designed to fit bifolding doors for repairs, etc. And we'll go through the parts that we've got available right now. The first items we're going to talk about are the bifolding door wheels. Now, on the Eurocell system, there are two different wheels. On this particular version, which is the Aspect 1, you've got white nylon wheels and secured in hinge positions. On the top of the door, you have that fitting, which corresponds with this one at the bottom. This is the lightweight version for not too heavy doors, but the next one we're going to show you is the Aspect 2, which is for the larger, heavier doors, which is coming right now. On the Aspect 2, which is taller than Aspect 1, also incorporates steel wheels and side rollers. They go on the bottom, and on the top you have a corresponding system which on the top only incorporates side wheels to run inside the rail. These are designed, as we said, for the heavier duty doors on the Eurocell system. On the Eurocell range that we carry black and white finish only at the moment. The handles for the bifolding doors are spring-loaded, but also the latch is operated by the arm. Now, when you operate this, if you don't get it finished fully into the corner, either top or bottom, the handle will not go back flush with the door. So when you close the door and lock it, provided you've done it correctly, you should have a smooth finish to the handle. Also, should you require a new locking box, they're available too, clearly describing which way up to fit it. The handle comes with securing screws. Once it's in place, you put the screws through that handle and secure it to the lock. And finally, these are the mid-position hinges, which are used usually a couple per door, or maybe even one depending on the height. But the other aspect of all the items that I've shown you that are hinges is on the back here. You can see that these have got a sloped edge, and what happens is there's a packer offered to the back of these, which as you move it up and down this elongated slot, which is in each of the parts you've seen, what happens is it increases the distance between the hinge and the profile to adjust it to the correct position for you. I'd like to thank you for your time and patience in watching what we've presented. Eurocell is a good product, and you'll find that the service we provide for you will be second to none.